Still not funny, alright?
Was a willing and knowing participant in the use of terrorism in Poland, in the economic exploitation of Poland in a way which led to the death by starvation of a large number of people, and the deportation to Germany as slave laborers of over 1 million Poles, and in a program involving the murder of at least 3 million Jews.
Would have to be a time traveler to put in a horse in a 9-year-old woman. I'm the only time traveler I know.
Hacia el año 270 a.C., Roma dominaba toda la península, y en la segunda mitad del siglo III Hacia el año 270 a.C., Roma dominaba toda la península, y en la segunda mitad del siglo III
The fuck? Okay. Good link. Very good. Arcane, thank you for the 4 years. I request an extreme fisting for Forsen. Okay. Thank you. For the 4 years, enjoy the badge. Dazzling Doggy, Fennec, Ella, Dan, and Godcrab. Mad Lover does the welcome back as well. Sneaky, 20 months. Tier 2, and it says num 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 num. Repeating, of course. Very nice. Jesus Christ. Someone got money instead of socks this Christmas.